Hello there. Hi, good morning. Welcome to Wednesday, the 24th of June. I hope you had some good rest last night and that you're ready for all the tasks that I have for you today. Now, don't worry, today we're not going to have anything too difficult to work on, okay? I think you're going to actually quite enjoy what we're going to do today. Okay, so just to give you an introduction, we're going to have 3 lessons. English, history, and then instead of craft, today we're going to have a cooking video. Okay, so I'm sure you can't wait to see what you're going to cook, but before that, we need to take another look at our phonics book, okay, because we need to learn our new sound for today. And guys, just to let you know, after we've done the sound today, look, we have only 3 sounds left until the end of all the sounds in English language, yeah? So only this one today and 4 more sounds to learn, and we've learned all the sounds in English language, yeah? Okay, so let's begin. Let me show you what I have here. Look at this picture. What can you see? Yeah, so take a close look at this can. It has a handle and a snout, and something's coming out of it. Something's dripping on the floor. A yellow fluid. Guys, this thing that's dripping from the can is called oil, yeah? So oil is a liquid, it's sticky, it's greasy to your fingers, and we can use it for cooking, or we can use it to put it in between mobile parts of a mechanism or a toy or a machine, okay, to make sure that they are moving smoothly. So what we have here is oil, okay? So oil has 2 sounds, oi, oh. Oil, oi, oh, oil. So do you know what's our new sound for today? If you said oi, you are right. Our new sound for today is sound oi for oil. Okay, so look at the sound oi. This is another digraph, and how do we write it? Again, using 2 letters, and again, the first one is O. Okay, so we use it writing O and I, okay? Oi as in oil, yeah? Okay, so just let's make here clear what are some other options when we have letter O, okay? So last class we talked about ow as in out, yeah? Ow. We also had early on O as in goat. Okay, and we have double O, which makes the sound oo or ooh, yeah, longer or shorter, oo or ooh, as for example in the word moon. Okay, so one more time, we have here oi, ow, o, ooh. And if we talk about the actions, ooh, o, ow, oi. Well, oi reminds me of the sound that sailors make. Oi, oi, yeah? So let's see what we have here. What pictures do we have here? So here we have a big ship, another one here, and look at this barrel. This barrel here has a word on it, and the word is oil, yeah? It's a barrel of oil traveling probably from one ship to another. They might be in some kind of trouble and helping each other out. So we have here picture of a barrel of oil. Okay, so what else are we doing? This man has his index finger, that's this finger, pointing out. So yes, that is the word point. Point. Point, yeah? So we have oil, point. And what else do we have here? Do we have any more interesting words? Well, there are two more words here, and those are the words oink, which is sound that a pig makes, point, coin, and boil. Yeah, so when we put water on very high temperature and leave it for a while, it's going to start boiling, and that's when we can cook things inside water. Now guys, let's hear the song.
Oi, oi.
Okay, so you're going to put your hands like this. Okay, so maybe you can hear that my voice now has a little bit more echo, yeah? So you put your hands like this. Imagine that you're on one ship trying to call out to the other, and you say, "Oi, ship, ahoy!"
The sailors met upon the sea. Oi, 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 oi. They found some oil way down deep. Oi, oi, ship ahoy.
Okay, so we're gonna hear this one more time.
Oi, oi.
Hands ready?
The sailors met upon the sea.
Oi, 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 oi.
They found some oil way down deep.
Oi, oi, ship ahoy. Okay, so I sent this song to you so you can practice it at home. Sorry. And now I have here my word cards, okay? So this is the time when we see if you can recognize sound oi in words and if you can read these words. Okay, so here is the first one. I'll give you 5 seconds. Can you read it? So this is the word oil. Oil, yeah, what we had in our story, oil. Also what you might use for cooking. And as I said, one way of cooking is to put something in water, which is about to, can you please read? Oil, boil, yeah, boil. Okay, let's see if the next word also has something to do with cooking. Well, with this, you can buy maybe some food, yeah, or ingredients that you need to make a tasty dessert. So can you please try and read this word for me? And we have coin, coin, yeah, coin. So metal money we call coins. In your homework from yesterday, in your math workbook, remember you had the task with coins, yeah, with pens. Okay, so let's try to read next word. Point, point, point. Okay. And the last word here, a fun one, the reason why I chose pink for these words. Can you read it? Sorry, can you read it now? It says oink, oink, oink. The word that a pig says. This is why it's pig, yeah? That's why it's pink. So one more time, the words are oil, boil, coin, point, and oink. Now, if you could read these words, that means that you're perfectly ready to find out about some more words that have sound oi in them, okay? So I have 2 more videos for you. One of them shows us some new words, okay? So this video lasts around 2 minutes. I'm going to play you just 1 minute. So So try with me. You're going to see the word, okay? The finger is going to move under it, like I did similar thing with these cards. So as the finger moves, you should try to blend in the word, yeah? To say the sounds and then blend them together so you can read the word. So let's see.
Boil.
We had it already.
Boil an egg. Point. Point. Don't point at me. Oink. Oink. The pig went oink.
Look at that happy pig.
Oink.
The words are the same.
Coins.
So more practice.
That is a lot of coins.
It is.
Avoid. Avoid. Avoid the traffic.
Yeah, so avoid is a new word here. If we avoid something, we are making an effort to not need it, to not see it, to not get into something. So avoid the traffic means stay away from the traffic, yeah? Now let's hear two more words.
The oi digraph usually appears in the middle of words. How many of these oi words can you read before the time runs out?
Okay, so what happens here that you're going to see these words, you're going to have limited time, but don't worry about that. If you need time to read these words, pause this video, okay? Take your time and read through these words, okay? So I can see a new word here, a new word here, a new word here. This is new one. This is new one, this one, and this one. Oh my gosh, this one is very dangerous word. It says poison. Okay, so there you can practice reading more words with oi sound in them, okay? So guys, as I've said here, we've done quite a few sounds so far which are digraphs written with letter O. So I think that right now it's important to practice a little bit this. Okay, so we can figure out to see if we can figure out the difference. Yeah, when we see a word and we have one of these, or I'm also going to add this. Okay, as in cow. Yeah, so the same sound as this one, but different spelling. Okay, so what is important here, what you're going to do next, you're going to do this little exercise to see if you can make the difference, between these different sounds. Yeah, they look similar, but they sound quite different. So what you're going to do, you have the last video, okay? You're going to see words. Those words it's going to be one word written in 4 different ways, and you need to try to figure out what is the correct way. Now, those words are going to be written with the help of some blends.
See if you can spot the consonant blends. R, cl, cr, nt, st. Get ready.
Okay?
Oi, nt. Point.
So you heard the word point, yeah? And now you can see it here written 4 times. Now the video is going to give you 5 seconds to try to figure out what is the correct spelling. So of course you're not going to throw anything at your screen. You're not going to splat it because later you will see a splat. You're not going to do that. It's enough just to point, okay, at the right place and then wait for the correct answer. Now, if you think you need more than 5 seconds, that's perfectly fine. Pause the video like I'm doing right now. Go through all the words, try to read them out until you figure out which one says point. So waiting for those 5 seconds to pass. Point. So listen.
Toast. Toast.
Toast. Okay, so how do you write? Is it toast, 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 toast? Yeah, that's the correct answer. Okay, guys, so I hope that you like this activity and I hope that you like this last video. I'm really going to ask you to practice it at home, and then what we're going to do when we see each other again in Zoom on Thursday, which is tomorrow, I'm going to play this video again. So I'm going to ask you to tell me what is the right way to write a word that you can see. Okay, so practice, and then we're gonna go over it one more time together in class. Okay, guys, please find your workbook number 7, complete the OI pages, and once you're done with that, see you back here for your history lesson. Bye bye.